Hey Sparkle fam, Julie Ball here, your Chief Sparkler, and I'm here doing the February 2021 unboxing of Sparkle Hustle Grow. Sparkle Hustle Grow is a business building membership, an online community, and subscription box for female entrepreneurs. We like to call it the best business expense ever because yes, it is a write-off. And this is a really exciting month for us. And although we're unboxing the February 2021 box, March, we are rolling out our new and improved Sparkle Hustle Grow. It's going to include an online membership hub for a more streamlined experience. We're going to have special members-only events. We are going to expedite the shipping so your pretty pink box gets there faster. In any case, let's dive in so we can see what we're working on this month. Personal development is core to our mission, and it is our responsibility, we take it very seriously, to curate the best of the best in business training and personal development and office supplies. So when you get your box, you'll open it up. It's going to have some information on how to make the most of your subscription. And the first thing you'll see on top is your workbook. The theme for this month is As Seen In, and that's in reference to publicity, getting media features. And I am so excited about this. My publicity coach and mentor and friend, Selena Sue, is our guest expert this month. And if you haven't met her, you are going to be so excited. She is giving us some amazing training and available in our Sparkle Hustle Grow private community all month long. So let's dive in. On the back, there's a little quote. It says, "The right people appreciate you showing up exactly as you are." Can I get an amen? Yes, friend, yes. Okay, you're gonna, when you dive into the workbook, you're gonna have a little welcome plus a take action checklist. This take action checklist helps hold you accountable for actually doing the work, because we don't want you to just get your box and have fun with the goodies inside. We want you to actually implement what you're learning. You know, we're gonna read a book, we're going to do some training together, and we wanna help hold you accountable. And we can do that right in the Facebook group. So you will have a QR code to scan to get into the Facebook group. You have your box packing list, information about your training, the guest expert, this month's book club. We also give you a reading guide to help you stay on pace to finish it before the end of the month. And you can get information about our new partner program where you can earn cash for referring friends. Let's dive in. You've always got this fun crinkle sprinkle. It's gold and white, beautiful. So what you can do is take your workbook and go to the box packing list. The first thing you're gonna see is this Selfie Light. This is for phones, cell phones. This can be clipped right on your computer, and it's got a little cord to recharge it. And how this works is you just clip it right on to your phone. So you can have better light when you're taking a picture, when you're doing the Instagram reel, when you're doing whatever. If you're doing a video for a podcast interview or for a media feature, you've got this, and it's going to actually have 3 levels of brightness, which is great because you can adjust it based off of what you need. And when you show up, you want to show up with your best foot forward, and that also means good lighting, right? So you've got your rechargeable selfie ring light. Next in the box is another box. But what's in the box? So when you open this up, you are going to find a beautiful little trinket tray for your desk or for in your bedroom or in the bathroom, wherever you want to put it. Wherever you need a little bit of inspiration. This is by Sweetwater Decor. It's a mint green. It says Boss Lady, and it just helps you get in the right mindset. When you have something like this on your desk, it just brings a little bit of happy to your hustle. So that's why we included that in this month. From time to time, we put little snacks in the box, something just to treat yourself in the office. And this month we have 2. These are Rip Van waffles, Dutch caramel and vanilla, and cookies and cream. Hide these so your kids don't get them, and they are delicious. They're just a little treat for the office. So we've got 2 of those. Next in the box is our book of the month. So we chose this book because part of connecting with your customers and part of pitching the media and having a story to tell is honing in on your storytelling skills. So this book is going to help us do that. It's called The 10 Stories Great Leaders Tell by Paul Smith. And inside, the 10 chapters that we're going to cover are, and this is going to be a quick read. It is full color and it's really not that long, so it's going to be easy to get through. Here's the stories. where we came from, why we can't stay here, where we're going, how we're going to get there, what we believe, who we serve, what we do for our customers, how we're different from our competitors, why I lead the way I do, and why you should want to work here. So there's all these different stories to inspire you and to help you identify what is your story. What's your story that you're going to tell your customers on your website, in the media? And it's really important for when you're pitching to get that publicity and that visibility, that you are clear on what your story is and what you stand for. So I cannot wait to dive into this in the Facebook group. We have our book club. We'll be doing prompts and we'll be helping you through the book chapter after chapter and helping you identify what's your story and crafting it together to pitch the media and get featured. And the last thing in the box is this beautiful custom journal. It's padded and it says, "Show up, be seen." When you open it up, it has a little bookmark right here. It is lined and it has a little bit of design on the front cover and the back cover just to inspire you. And the cool thing is, you see that this black thing right here? Look, that is a pen holder. How cool is that? I love it. It's just so unique. And we are going to use this notebook to craft our story, to plan out our pitches, and keep track of things. All right, guys, that was the February 2021 Sparkle Hustle Grow box. I cannot wait to dive deeper into the training. And I forgot to mention the name of the training that Selena is doing for us is called How to 10X Your Publicity. Learn 4 powerful strategies to 10X your publicity so that you're attracting hundreds and thousands of ideal clients and customers to your business. It is a $397 training value, and our sparklers get it for free. I'm just so thrilled to have Selena as our guest expert. I know we're going to move mountains, and we're going to be celebrating so many wins from our sparkler community as they get featured in the media. Every single month after the unboxing, I always like to do a sneak peek for next month's box. Our March theme is networking, and this can be really hard to do for some people because they might be introverted. We are going to provide so many opportunities for you to learn good ways to network, non-salesy, non-sleazy ways to network. We're going to provide actual opportunities to connect with other sparklers. And our sneak peek for next month is this Popple. So this is essentially an electronic business card. You put this little guy on the back of your phone, like so. And if you just tap this to somebody else's phone, your information, so like your social media, your contact information, everything is going to populate on their phone instantly. They do not need an app for this. They do not need a Popple to get this. It is the coolest thing. I'm going to put a link in the caption so you can watch a video on how it works. But this is a $20 value, and all sparklers that get the box membership will be getting a pink Popple for themselves in their box. Now, make sure you listen to the big announcement that we unveiled the new and improved Sparkle Hustle Grow, because it's going to tell you all about all the different changes. But one of them that I wanted to bring up is that we now offer a digital membership. That means if you don't want to get the box, but you want to be a part of the community and do the training, all that good stuff, you can join Sparkle Hustle Grow just from a digital membership. You can acquire the book on your own, whether that's on Audible or your local library or wherever, and you can still participate in the book club. So I encourage you, if you are not already a member, join now at sparklehustlegrow.com. We would love to welcome you into our community of ambitious, driven women that are moving mountains. So I have a feeling you're going to see a lot of our sparklers in the media in the very near future. So follow along on social media as we celebrate those wins, or better yet, join us. Come on, sparklehustlegrow.com. We'll see you on the inside.